Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about HTML comments. What are HTML comments? HTML comments are nodes inside your code that the browser ignores. User won't see comments on the web page, they are only for the developers. Why we use comments? Comments can be used to explain code, organize sections, or hide code. First of all, think of it like writing a sticky note that lies inside your code. It doesn't affect the page, but it helps you or your team understand your work. Here is a basic syntax for HTML comment. Let's break it down first. This is the starting of a comment that tells the browser start ignoring everything that follows until the end tag. You can call it like opening tag of the comment, and this one is ending for a comment. Like this tells browser stop ignoring here, the comment ends. You can call it like closing tag of the comment, and everything inside starting and closing, this is called the comment text. This is your actual note or explanation for the code. And here's the types of HTML comment, like single line comment, multi-line comment, and hiding line comment. Here is the example of single line comment. It is used for the short note and only one line is commented. Like you can see here, only one line is commented. It is for single line comment. Think of it like writing a tiny sticky note on a line of your code. Yeah. And here's the second one, multi-line comment, which is used for long explanation, can cover several lines of a code, and I will show you the example. Like this is a multiple line comments. You can see here everything between starting and the closing of comment is ignored. Like this is ignored and you can't see on a web page. Use this comment when you want to add detailed instruction or the explanation of the code. Think of it like writing a big sticky note covering several lines. And this is a hiding code, and this is the example for the hiding code. You can temporarily hide code without deleting it. This is useful for testing or debugging on your web page. You can see here is an example for hiding code, and the button won't appear on the web page because it is a command. And if you remove the starting and the ending of a command, you can use your code or you can restore your code, and you can see on your web page. Think of it like covering part of your code with invisible tape. It is still there but hidden from view. And the second section is why use HTML comments. Comments are very helpful in coding. Here is why you should use them: for explanation of code, like which helps you and others understand sections of your code. Like here is an example, you can see it. This tells you that this part is the heading section. Think of it like adding a small title to your code. And second is for organizing code. Comments make your code neat and structured, especially with you working on big project. Like here is an example for the organized code. This makes it clear where the footer starts and ends. When your file gets big, these little labels save a lot of time. Think of it like putting section dividers in a notebook. And third one is disable code or hide code. Sometimes you don't want to delete code, but you also don't want it to show on the web page. In that case, you can just comment it out like the way I have commented it out here. You can see here the example for the image. The image won't show on the page, but it is still in your code. Later, if you want it back, just remove the comments tags like this one and this one. If you remove this, you can see your image on the web page. You can also use HTML comments for collaboration. First, think of it as leaving helpful notes for others in a group project. If multiple people are working on the same file, comments are a way of communicating through code. So it helps your team to understand what you have written in your code. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We are going to upload more videos in HTML.